Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today Apple has introduced 4 new devices, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 mini alongside with the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. So in this video we're talking about the iPhone 12 and the top 10 new features that are coming to this device. Starting things off with the new design. The iPhone 12 has a brand new design and it looks really beautiful. This year's device features an aluminum frame and it has smaller bezels, which makes it look really good. Now, using this new frame and of course the new display, Apple has been able to fit a bigger screen into a smaller footprint. So basically you have the 6.1-inch screen, which was the same as on the iPhone 11, but now on a much smaller footprint. So you will have a smaller device and the same screen size as last year iPhone 11. Of course, that's always really great. The next feature is a new color. So this year's iPhone will feature a new color, which is like a deep blue. You can call it like navy blue or whatever you want to call it, but it will replace last year's purple, I believe. I haven't seen that color on this year's iPhone 12, so that of course is the replacement for that device, basically that color of that device. And another feature of this year's device is that of course it is thinner, 11% thinner than the iPhone 11. Not just thinner, of course, as I said, it is smaller, 15% smaller than the iPhone 11 and also 16% lighter than the iPhone 11. This is just a beautiful device. This design, the screen size, everything is really beautiful. Talking about the screen, this year's iPhone, as I said, features a 6.1-inch screen, which is the same size as the last year's iPhone 11. But this year we have an OLED display on the iPhone 12. Not an LCD display, an OLED display, which is much better. And of course it has improved contrast and brightness over the last year's LCD display on the iPhone 11 model, and of course higher brightness as well, with a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch. That makes basically this device have 2 times more pixels than the iPhone 11 on its display, and this is really good, a great device, and it will look much better with dark mode. So all the pixels on OLED displays, all the pixels that are black are basically turned off. That makes the device look really beautiful, especially with the dark mode on. So that's of course a very big change on the iPhone 12. The next feature we're talking about is 5G. Apple has put 5G on the all 4 new iPhones. We had rumors that that will be a feature exclusive to the iPhone Pro, but now it's on the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini as well. So that's really great. Of course, with 5G, you will have faster speeds, faster download, upload speeds, and of course overall higher network speed. And there is also a new smart data mode which will be available on the 5G devices, which basically will automatically switch to normal speeds if you don't need 5G speed on your device. Of course, whenever you need 5G, it will automatically turn on back to 5G, so that's really great. Of course, the new OLED display requires a tough glass to protect it. Apple is bringing ceramic shield this year to the iPhone with a nano ceramic crystal matrix to improve toughness. It is tougher than any other smartphone glass. According to Apple, this year's shield that they're putting on the iPhone is 4 times better on drop performance. So you have a 4 times better chance to basically get out of a drop of your iPhone without having your screen cracked, and that of course is always very welcome. When you're buying a very expensive device, you want to make sure that it has a tough glass to protect its display. So this year's ceramic shield is the new feature of the iPhones. It's across all the new iPhones, and it should be, as I said, 4 times tougher than the previous year's glass. And of course, as with every other year, we have a new chip. This year we have the A14 Bionic chip, which is built on a 5nm technology. The CPU, according to Apple, is 50% faster than any other smartphone, and also the graphics, the GPU, according to Apple, are 50% faster than any other smartphone on the market right now. This year's iPhone 12 features a brand new dual camera system with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an aperture of 2.4, 5-element lens, 13mm focal length, and 120 degrees field of view, while the wide lens is also 12 megapixels, but it has an aperture of 1.6. Of course, better performance on dark environments. That's really great. Optical image stabilizations, 100% focus pixels, as well as 26mm focal length and a 7-element lens. That of course really great, a huge improvement on the new cameras. And what's really great is that Apple is bringing night mode on all the iPhone's cameras, so you can shoot a night mode with the front camera and also with the wide, ultra wide lens, so that's really great. Another thing is that Apple is bringing night mode to time lapses and also 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. MagSafe is the next feature we're talking about. Yes, Apple has brought back MagSafe with the iPhone 12. So MagSafe is basically a technology that allows you to connect your wireless chargers easier to the back of your iPhone. And that's of course really great. During the demonstration that Apple did, it looked really cool and of course very convenient. Now according to Apple, you can not just use that technology for the wireless charger, but they will also have new cases and accessories that are coming out really soon, so that's really great. Of course, a lot of companies will take advantage of MagSafe, and we should have some really cool accessories for the iPhone using this new technology. And last but not least, we're talking about the prices. So Apple introduced the iPhone 12 and also the iPhone 12 mini. So the iPhone 12 will start at $799, while the iPhone 12 mini will be cheaper at $699. So these are the prices for this year's iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. So that is it for this video, guys. These are the top 10 new features that are coming to the new iPhone 12. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something new about the new iPhone 12 today. And I will see you guys on the next one.